Sometime God upset your plan to set up His own plan. God's plans are always perfect. You never get upset when your plan get upset. Just believe in God's master plan. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about solar eclipse, which will going to happen on 21st of June 2020 in Mrigashira Nakshatra on Amavas in Gemini sign. One of the biggest thing on this solar eclipse is this is the first solar eclipse in 2020, and second thing, when this eclipse happens, then 6 planets will retrograde. Like Jupiter is retrograde, Saturn is retrograde, Venus retrograde, Mercury retrograde, and Rahu Ketu is always retrograde. So this is one of the biggest change in solar system which will going to happen on 21st of June 2020. So guys, you get ready, because after this date 21st of June 2020, a lot of things will change in life. Like you can say, first of all, I talked to about in which areas this solar eclipse visible. First of all, in India, you can say North America, Europe, and Hind Mahasagar, Prashant Mahasagar, like all these areas, solar eclipse will visible. And now I'm talk about the effect of the solar eclipse on every ascendants. Let me start from Aries ascendants. For Aries ascendants, for guys, you solar eclipse will be in your 3rd house. You need to be careful and you need to be alert to relationship with your family members, and try to make a good relationship with your siblings, because this will be a matter of concern after 21st of June, because relationship with you and your siblings will be affected. And another zodiac sign is Taurus. So guys, you need to be careful about your job, about your family, about relationship with your family members. Your self-respect will be a matter of concern. You will face some type of mental stress, and relationship with your family will be affected during this period. The 3rd sign is Gemini, where is this solar eclipse will happen. So guys, you need to be careful while driving. You need to be careful about your health, because your health will be affected badly in this solar eclipse, after this solar eclipse. So guys, the thing is that which I have some personal experience, because I am researching on astrology. This solar eclipse effect on humans to next 3 to 6 months after this date, like 21st of June 2020. And next zodiac sign is next ascendance is Cancer ascendance. The solar eclipse will happen in your 12th house. You need to be careful about your over expenditures will irritate you. Your health will be a matter of concern. Legal matters will irritate. Some type of hurdles you will face related to your career, related to your business, job or profession. And there is a strong chances to change your place after 21st of June 2020. And next ascendance is Leo ascendance. For Leo ascendance, this will going to happen in your 11th house, which will be a game changer period. You will see after 21st of June, you will get a lot of good gains. Money will knock you. Unexpected money will knock you. A lot of new opportunities will arise, and you may start a new venture with one of your close friend, because for Leo ascendants, this will be in your 11th house, which is a house of gains and fulfillment of wishes. And Sun Rahu creates a solar eclipse, so 11th house will be very positive house in astrology. So you will get lots of type of materialistic gains. And next I am going to talk about Virgo ascendants. For Virgo ascendants, you need to be careful about a new business dealing during this period, because as per dynamics position, as per solar eclipse, and you know very well, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, 6 planets are retrograde. Don't sign any new documents. Don't sign any new contract, or you may get involved with in a new type of dealing with someone, but this will be affected. This will be a bad affected on your mental peace. So guys, you need to be careful. Don't invest your money in business, but you need to focus on your things, because after this eclipse, you will get a new associates, which will give you the lot of good results after few months. So let's ascendants. Next ascendants is Libra ascendants. For Libra ascendants, this will be a good for you. There's a long distance journey seen in your dynamics after 21st of June 2020. You will enjoy a lot of long distance journeys, or if you want to settle in abroad, then this solar eclipse will help you a lot. Let's talk about Scorpios and Scorpios. This solar eclipse will be in your 8th house. This is not a good house for you. You need to be careful. Some type of sorrow, some type of hidden problems will irritate you. You need to be careful about your stomach related problem or back bone related problem, or you need to be careful about problem which is going to give you a lot of stress related to your personal life. So guys, you need to be prepared and stay strong, and try to consult doctor if you feel any negativity related to your body activities. So let's talk about Sagittarius. Sagittarius, from 21st of June 2020, this solar eclipse will be in your 7th house, which is going to good for your personal relationship with your spouse will be good, and you will enjoy all type of comforts. Your daily income will be rise, and you will get a lot of success during this period related to your job and profession, or whatever you are doing. You will get good money, you will get good profits. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn. Capricorns, this is one of the best period which will going to start from 21st of June, because after this eclipse you will feel mental relief. You will get new opportunities related to your job, related to your business. You will get a lot of good things will happen in your life which you never expect. So after 21st of June 2022, next 3 months will be a good for you related to your professional life, related to your earning, related to your mental peace, because Capricorns are already suffering because the Saturn is retrograde, is in first house. So after this eclipse from 21st of June, things will turn in your favor. There is no doubt. Stay strong, stay positive. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants. Aquarius ascendants, this eclipse will give you abundance of money. If you are investing your money in stock market, you will get good gains, smart gains. Unexpected money will knock you. Lot of good things will happen in your life. If you are in a relationship, then this is a good period. Your relationship, your love life will turn in a long lasting relationship like marriage. So Aquarius, you will enjoy this solar eclipse after 21st of June. There is a lot of type of gains will knock you. That is for sure. And last ascendant is Pisces ascendants. For Pisces ascendants, you need to be careful about health of your mother. You need to be careful about domestic peace. Your homely atmosphere will be affected after this solar eclipse. So guys, focus on your things and be strong and think positive, because transit is always change. Transit is not same. But all this solar eclipse or Jupiter transit or Saturn transit will always give results as per your birth chart. So you need to know which type of planet you have in your birth chart. You must contact nearest astrologer to you to find out which type of planetary position in your birth chart. So guys, the one more major thing, the timing of this eclipse is from 21st of June 2020, 9:15 a.m. to 2:02 p.m. So guys, stay strong, stay happy. I'm praying for your happy life. God bless you all. Take care. Bye-bye. Jai Hind.